So this river actually they are very famous with the monkey, the proboscis monkey. So the best time to see the monkey here at 5 to 5:30. Yeah, and this river actually they are connected with the biggest cave where this cave they produce the edible bird nest. Yeah, so they use this river during 40 years ago to transfer the nest to Sandakan before the road. Yeah, and sometimes we might see snake also. Yeah, the mangrove snake. Yeah, sometimes the snake fall down to the boat, so you're not allowed to jump because crocodile. Yeah. 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 Not a deadly species. Arjo, deh, tunjuk dia yang di belakang. And they eat also turtle eggs, yeah, and the baby turtle. So this is the main predators for the turtle. And they can grow about 2.5 meter long. After they eat, yeah, full with the food, and then they rest food. They digest the food. After that, they come down again on the ground to look for food. Snake bird. We call it snake bird because they have long neck. Yeah, very fish. The long-tailed macaque here. There's mother with the baby. Yeah, mother with the baby. Sometimes they give you free shower, yeah?
Oh no.
Okay.
Macaque?
Yeah, macaque. Long-tailed macaque. See the head? Looks like David Beckham. Dominant male, the nose is. Why this monkey they sleep, settle down along the river because of they just avoid from the main predators. They just sit on the branch, and then when they sleep they face into the forest, not facing to the water. So normally the dominant male first jump to the water, but it's not 100% set when the monkey jump to this river because crocodile also is waiting for the river. So they just make sure the water is set. The female will be following.
Let your soul guide your heart, 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 heart.
Let your soul.
ist denn eine Bude hier? Ein Frosch oder ist das jetzt... Ups. Frosch. So, raus hier, komm. Frösche kann ich hier nicht gebrauchen.